welcome to Farming Files. Today we will be doing
a second slurry video where we talk about different things to do with slurry, like stirring it, as we're going to be spreading more today after the first cut silage for our next cut silage.
So we will be doing all that today, so stay tuned. We are here in the cow shed, and underneath us right now is some slurry storage because all the poo just gets scraped into these holes in here.
So what we're going to be doing is mixing it up to make it a nice consistency so that we can spread it across the fields. But when slurry is mixed, it releases this poisonous gas that can kill people and animals. So we want as much air circulation as possible. So we're going to open up these lumitherm things. They're kind of like lilos, they're filled with air. And that stops the rain and the wind coming in, but we're going to open them up as that makes it like more air circulation. So Katie, do that now.
Oh, I'm not tall enough.
Passing by, and all this time I couldn't see. There's a million people.
So as you can see, the lumitherm slowly deflates, and that basically makes it go down to the bottom as there's no air in it to keep it up.
7 years was a long time to love you. 7 days feels longer still. 7 days.
Now, we're behind the pump and we need to prime it. So what we're first going to do is wait for the slurry to come up this tube, potentially. And I'm really worried because I really do not want to get covered in slurry. And if I do, I will not be impressed. So we're just waiting. We put that like this. And then do I turn this? Quite concerned, to be honest. Woo. As you can see, the pipe is filling up with slurry, and I am just turning this to open it up. It's not open yet. I think it might be open. Oh. I'm really concerned just about getting covered in slurry. I wouldn't be surprised if I did get covered in slurry. I think I might be there now. Yeah, there we go. Now we're all opened up and we are pumping slurry out this horrible slurry pit. As you can see, there's already a lot of pressure that has filled with slurry. So now we have the slurry pumping, and what we're going to do next is mix the slurry up. The slurry is in 4 columns down underground, and basically it goes round in a big circle and mixes up really well. We're just about to start it now. This is where it gets very smelly. Oh. So as you can see, it goes down this pipe underground and down across another pipe and to the field. We are here in the field, and as you can see, they're spreading the slurry over there. They'll come back in a minute or two, but right now I'm just going to explain about the pipe. So as you can see, we do not use a tank that holds the slurry and they go up and down and then empty out the tank and then go up and refill like most farms. Instead, we use these pipes and then spread them out the pipes. So you can see the pipes are getting pulled along here, and you may wonder, so do the pipes get spread out before, or do they go as they go? Well, basically they've got this thing on the front that rolls out the pipe across the field, and they do it in a way like this so it doesn't get tangled. I'm going to draw it on my phone, hopefully you can see it. If you can't, right, so this is the field. Good field that, isn't it? So they'd come in and they'd go down, and then they'd go along and then along and then along, and then they'd go round and then down here, here, here and here. I don't know if that was any good. So yeah, we're just gonna wait for it to come down. So here comes the slurry spreader now, and I'm going to tell you a little bit about it. So there's 3 different bits on the end you can basically put to put the slurry in different ways. You've got the spread plate, which spreads the poo out, like as you can see here, that's what we use. And then we have the dribble bar. It's a big bar and it's got wee pipes that come out the side, and it basically pushes the slurry, goes down the pipe and onto the ground. Or you can also inject it into the ground. One of the advantages of a dribble bar and an injection pipe thing is that it smells a bit less, but it's a bit more expensive. So here I am inside of the field, and we're just waiting for Kieran, the worker, to start rolling up the pipe a little bit. So the reason we can't just roll it up fully is because it's still full of slurry, and that is where Katie comes in up the hill.
We've just finished pumping the slurry and we had to clean these pipes, and you may wonder, how do you clean all the slurry out of these pipes? Well, this is the answer. This is a sponge, and you put it into the pipe and blow air through the pipe, and it cleans out all the poo, and it will come out at the end absolutely covered in poo. Let's do it. Step 1 is we have to put this into the pipe, and now we need to attach something to blow air through the pipe, which is this. Okay, my father's just going to do it quickly, but he doesn't want to be on the camera because he's camera shy. To get the air, we have to turn on the air machine.
You mean the compressor, Katie?
Ha! Ben and Rory are down there and they're about to collect the poopy ball. Ha ha ha.
So now, as you can see, Kieran is going up and down the field. He's just emptying out the pipe, and now we're waiting for the ball that Katie put in to pop out. It should come out hopefully just very soon, so we're going to keep recording it and see where it comes out.
Bigger dreams to chase. It's hard not to see it as a waste. But I guess I see it as a waste.
So as you saw, that went very well, and here you can see the ball that popped out. Now I'm pretty sure it was a lot more orange, but now it's poopy and wet. Okay, well that's the slurry pipe all emptied out. Now it's going to get rolled up. So now, as you can see, it's been attached on to this thing that rolls it up, and we're now just going to slowly roll it back up all the way back to the farm.
Sick of trying to disappear.
Thank you so much for watching today's video.
So as you can see, it's the next day, and all the slurry has been cleaned off of the slurry spreader, as that would be bad if we left it on.
And it's raining.
Which is good, because that'll wash in the slurry.
Bit cold though. Anyway, we will see you on Friday.
Today is Friday.
Monday, we'll see you on Monday. Remember, stay safe and wash your hands.
7 days since I last said